Let's see how to remove text box outline or border in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, we already know how to insert a text box in our document. So go ahead and click on the Insert tab, click on Text Box, and click on Simple Text Box. And that should create a text box in your document. Now, by default, this text box has a border that surrounds it. And let's say that we want to remove this border. So let's go ahead and click on our text box, and that should open up this new tab here, Shape Format. And you can remove the border by clicking on Shape Outline and clicking on No Outline. And as you can see, our text box now looks like it is a part of our main text. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.